Alright, so I'm coming to you live from my studio today. I'm going to show you a little invention I made. It's basically a DIY vocal booth. So let's just get to it. It's my crazy studio at the moment. Needs a bit of a little TLC would help. I'll give you the far away angle here. So basically you got a blanket hanging in the corner. That's what you got. Half circled. You can dial that in, and it's not fully set up at the moment, but you'll totally get the gist of what's going on here. So open it up, and what I've got is foam tacked to the wall in basically like a perfect little cone square. So let me show you real quick. I've got this bottom piece, and normally there would be a microphone stand obviously coming up in here, and you would take this last piece and stick it in the bottom like such. And I made a little cut is what I figured out to do. I'll show you. So I can just slip the microphone right in between there. And then last couple pieces here make a big difference. I've got a piece of foam directly above the singer's head, and normally I've got an extra piece of foam that I will put down at the ground, kind of covering the base of the mic stand. And yeah, that's basically what I got going on. And to be honest, even just like walking up to it right here, you can already hear how much more dead it gets. Hope this helps. Please like and subscribe.